Most men think women fall in love because they are rich, because they are attractive, or because they say the right words. But here's the truth. Women don't fall in love with what you have. They fall in love with who you are, not with the mask you show them, but with depth you live by. In this video, I'll show you exactly how women fall in love through the lens of Stoic philosophy and timeless masculine appearance. Because love isn't magic. It's not manipulation. It's mastery. Marcus Aurelius taught us, waste no more timber gang what a good man should be. Beyond, and that's the real secret. You don't convince a woman to fall in love. You become someone she can't help but love. Here's how. 1. Women fall in love with your emotional stability. Most men think showing emotion is bad, but it isn't. Losing control is when you are reactive, needy, or desperate. When that happens, she feels unsafe. A Stoic man isn't cold. He's calm. He can feel deeply, but remain unshaken. She falls in love with that peace. 2. Women fall in love with your purpose. If you make her your purpose, she loses interest, because deep down she wants to join you, not be the reason you exist. Your mission is magnetic. Your discipline and your drive show her you won't crumble if she leaves. And paradoxically, that's what makes her stay. 3. Women fall in love with how you make them feel about themselves. It's not about impressing her. It is about reflecting her best self back to her. A Stoic man listens, observes, and speaks with intention. He makes her feel seen, understood, and safe to be soft. She doesn't fall for you because you're perfect. She falls because she's better around you. 4. Women fall in love with your boundaries. Most men are afraid to say no, afraid to lose her if they assert themselves. But boundaries are attractive. They show self-respect and signal strength. She tests you not to break you, but to feel your limits, because knowing your limits makes her feel safe. A man who can't say no can't protect anything. 5. Women fall in love with your consistency. Grand gestures are easy, but consistency is hard. Stoicism is the art of showing up the same way, even when it's tough, when you keep your word, when you're reliable, and when you don't shift with every mood. She relaxes. She trusts and invests. Because you're not an emotional roller coaster. You're the foundation. So, how do women fall in love? Not with words, not with gifts, not with false confidence, but with your calm, your mission, your attentive presence, your unbreakable boundaries, and your reliable consistency. Women don't fall for men who chase them. They fall for men who lead themselves, who master their minds, and who live with purpose. So stop trying to make her love you.